I hear the ticking of the clock. I'm lying here, the room's pitch dark. I wonder where you are tonight. No answer on the telephone. And the night goes by so very slow. Oh, I hope that it won't end though. Alone. Till now I always got by on my own. I never really cared until I met you. And now it chills me to the bone. How do I get you alone? How do I get you alone? You don't know how long I've wanted to touch your lips and hold you tight. Oh yeah. You don't know how long I've waited, and I was gonna tell you tonight. But the secret is still my own, and my love for you is still unknown. Alone. Till now I've always got by on my own. I've never really cared until I met you. And now it chills me to the bone. How do I get you alone? How do I get you alone? Get you alone, alone,
Hey, well done, Sam. Louise, what did you think?
Sam, I love that you took on this song this week. You really challenged yourself. We gave you comments last week about, exploring that kind of rocky vibe because you've got it within you. And that's exactly what you did this week. So well done for taking on board our comments. I think, going into it a little bit more, obviously we've had lessons this week. That first scream wasn't as good as I've heard it. That first big falsetto note, it wasn't as good as it was in the week. Doesn't mean it was awful. It sounded a lot more strained than it has done. So I think, you weren't quite full on with your technique enough for it to be very clear like it was previously. But the second one was loads better. So big well done. The last Alone, obviously you do the alone, that one. It could have been cleaner. It was a little bit like alone, which we've spoke about before, about not restricting your throat, letting the sound out with your mouth. So just really pay attention to that. But you did well this week. Well done for challenging yourself. Definitely the right direction. Keep challenging yourself. Keep trying new things. Explore your voice because it can do a lot of different things. But well done this week. Well done.
Kelly?
Yeah, I love how you sort of chucked yourself out of your comfort zone. And you really took on the rock comments from last week. And not only that, you had to find a rock song by a female, which is not really an easy thing to do. So, credit to you there. I think rock is much more suited to your voice. I would like to see you explore different sort of kinds of rock. Like the indie rock, things like that, and put your voice to that. Because I love that raspy break that you've got in your voice. When your voice sort of like breaks and it just adds to it for me. I love the fact that you challenged yourself by trying to do the scream note, and that you're trying something new all the time. Because if there's one thing we know about you is that you're really, really open to sort of learning and challenging yourself. And I think that's what you need to do with this season is use it as a stepping stone to sort of like kind of find where you can go, and this is definitely a step in the right direction. If there's one little bit of advice I would give you, is just to relax a little bit. You seem so tense when you're singing. I don't know whether it's because you're sort of like very aware of what's coming next, or where you want your voice to go, or you're very self-conscious, but just relax into it a little bit more, and I think that'll allow sort of like, if you could have hit the scream maybe if you were a little bit more relaxed and weren't so tense. So just that basically just have fun with it, chill out and have fun with it. That's the only criticism I can give. Well done.
Yes, Sam. I mean, you've come into this season, and to be honest with you, after like the last couple of comps you've had the previous weeks, I picked up on I kind of want to see you explore a bit more vocally, maybe try female songs and that, just to see where you can go. And of course, like, don't be frightened of being like compared to Zach or anything, with that rockiness. And I feel like this week, yeah, it wasn't out to this world, but I can't take any credit from what you've done. And the reason why I can't do that is because you've done exactly what I expected you to do. I weren't expecting it to be perfect the first time using your voice like that. I weren't expecting you to come out today and hit them screamo notes as perfect as they needed to be, because this is a new part of your voice you're not used to using. So I get that, and I respect that, and I understand that. But you are on the right path. What you did today is exactly where I want you to go. But of course, when you're watching these back, listen to what you're doing, and if you think a note's not right, do it again, and do it again until you get it spot on. But this is the path you need to be on. The only thing you need to work on, and I noticed it quite severely in this performance, and there was quite a few times my eyes went, whoa, because I was like, whoa, he's going to have a heart attack. So what you need to do is work on how you're coming across with these notes, because when you're hitting these notes, the one thing you mustn't do, if it is hard for you to do at first, because you're learning how to use your voice that way, you mustn't show it to us. Control yourself, hit the notes, practice them, but you need to work on what you're doing here, all right? Other than that, keep doing what you're doing. I enjoyed your new take on Alone. It was very interesting to see, and well done for taking an attempt on them notes. Keep pushing yourself. Well done.